how to link text boxes and use overflowing text boxes in Adobe InDesign. So I've just got a text box open in Adobe InDesign on an A4 sheet. Just going to double click and then go to type. I'm going to fill that with some placeholder text. So there's my placeholder text. I'm just going to get rid of this bottom paragraph, make things easier for me. Right, so first of all, I want to make it into a 2-column. So there's a couple of ways you can make it into a 2-column. You could go to the top and you could just literally click on the column icon, but what if you want it in separate text boxes? So what I can do is I'm going to drag the text box from the right, so it's about half, and as you see here at the bottom, you'll see this sort of red dot icon in a little box. If I click on that, you'll see the icon changes, the cursor changes. If I go to the top and I click and drag, I can drag a second text box. And there we have our second column of text. The other way to do this would be to draw text box, same place, click and drag. And then with the cursor, go to the little red dot again, click it once, and then link it to the second text box. So that's the second way to do that as well. I'm just going to get rid of that now. I'm going to increase the size of the text. Let's say we've got absolutely lots and lots of text and it's massive. Let's just double the size of the text. And we want to add this on different pages. I'm just going to create a new page. And I'm going to go to that red dot again on my first page. Click it once so we get that icon, and then I'm going to press shift. I'm going to then click on the corner, and it has now created the text box for that to fit in as well. But it's not just done it for that one page, it's continued it across all the different pages in order to house all the different text across all the different pages. So this would be ideal if you're doing something like an ebook or a publication where you needed to use multiple pages. Third and final way to do it would be if you had a new document and you did, say, for example, A4, so 210 by 297 millimeters. We're going to do the orientation, portrait, turn off facing pages, and we're going to use this thing called primary text frame. I'm going to actually add about 5 text boxes. Sorry, I'm going to add 5 pages, and then I'm going to click create. And instead of having to create a text box for every page now, it already has one on each page, and then I can just paste that in and it'll automatically add all the text to the different pages within the document. That's how to add text boxes that overflow and linking text boxes within InDesign. If you got something out of this video, please hit like, consider subscribing to the channel, and please check out another one of my videos that are on screen now. Thanks for watching.